Hey my melodrama queens, welcome back to my channel Melodrama by Tanya. The topic for today is a full product review on some awesome goodies I've ordered myself and pampered myself and treated myself to from Charlotte Tillbury. I haven't used too many products from there, so I was really curious to know about some of the concealers, some of the foundations and how they would work on my skin. Indian skin especially has that kind of an undertone and yellow color that not all brands seem to get it right with it. So let's get started without much delay, and I'm going to cover, like you can see, I've already done my eyes, so I'm literally going to cover the skin routine, which is foundation, concealer, a really nice contour wand that I ordered from there, and some lip liner and lipstick. So without much delay, let's get started. It's called the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I've seen it in numerous ads, and this one is in number 6 warm chode. I think when I ordered it, it did look a little bit brighter for my skin tone because I have tanned a bit. So I'm just gonna go by taking a small squirt, probably there and there. And I'm just gonna apply it evenly to my face. And as I do, I can see it is quite lighter on my face. I didn't expect it to be this light. I think because I've tanned a lot, this color seems really white. Seems really light on my skin tone right now, and I have quite a medium fair skin tone. Let me tell you, it has a really nice light scented smell to it, making sure I take it up all the way to the ears, because you don't want your ears to be like standing out and looking like either red or white. I usually do this thing to just clean up above my eyeshadow and between my eyebrow line a lot of times, because if there's any excess foundation on the brush, it just tends to catch it and clean it. I think I'm going to opt for the concealer and then go in with the contour. So the concealer that I'm using is the Magic Away Liquid Concealer. It comes in this little stick with a wand. It looks a lot like the Maybelline Eye Eraser concealer. And this is in 5.5 medium moyen. And again, this is the same trick. You do that, twist it, and it'll come out. Just there. Now this color I feel is really nice. It's not too white, and it's quite a creamy blend. So I still have some left on my stick, which I can just use. So they're approximately about between 27 to 30 pounds each. So that is quite pricey. And then just for the concealer brush, I'm just gonna go and blend it in. So I try to do these really gentle strokes and not brush it in or really mix it in, because you just want the concealer or any kind of liquid that you put on your face to settle in, soak into your skin. So you can see the difference between the two. Definitely it has perked up my under eyes a bit. And let me tell you, the texture of this is really nice. It is quite creamy, so you really don't need too much. A little squirt goes a long way. So this is the contour wand, and this is called Hollywood Contour Wand Easy Contour. That's what it looks like. So again, a little soft sponge on top, and this. Ooh. So it feels from this like there's not much product in this, probably just around this much, which was really disappointing, because when I press this, it's all air, nothing comes up, and literally feels like not too much product in there. So I'm gonna go and try to sculpt my face with this. There again, it just comes up like that. And it is quite dark. So I think I need to work quite quick. With this, let's see. So I've gone ahead and put this there. I usually use a really angled brush for my cheeks, like you can see, an angled brush, because it just gives a good definition to the cheeks. And I must say, the product is quite nice, but it is a bit watery, not thick as the concealer. It seems quite light and watery, so you might feel that you need another little top up. But like you can see, the color with my skin looks slightly more blended in. You can always go and use a bit more. Mix it with like that so that it becomes kind of a bit of part of your foundation. If you want to make the bridge of your nose even more thinner, go more inside. Wow, look like a tigress now. So I think doing this just gives it a more bronzy effect, because the color, like I said, I've tanned a lot right now. So the color is slightly lighter for my skin tone. So it's literally a few drops of this mixed with my foundation gives a more blended and even look. I kind of do like the finish of this contour wand. It's not too heavy, but at the same time, for a daytime look, you can see the definition and the contour that it's provided to my face. You can always go and set it with the setting powder, which is the next thing that I'm going to be using. So this is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder, and this is in the color Micro Powder in the color 2 medium. So I'm just gonna go and open it, and this is what it looks like. I'll take some of my beauty blender and just set the area. I think because the concealer is really creamy, it's a good idea to set it, because you just don't want lines to form. So I'm going to use a bit of blusher now, and I think the one that I'm going to use is by Tarteist Pro Glow. I'm actually quite liking the overall finish of the thing. And the last thing that I'm going to use is the lip pencil, and this lip pencil is Lip Cheat, and it says for reshaping and resizing lip liner. So it's quite a nude, nice lip liner. And I'm sure you must have seen your Instagram being spammed with Pillow Talk and Pillow Talk lip liner. This is the lip liner, which I am quite liking. I can leave it just like this as well. Not bad. It's quite creamy and nice. And this is the lipstick, which is Pillow Talk, one of their most definitely best selling lipsticks, and this is what it looks like. And it's literally the same color of my lip liner, so there's really no point applying it, but I'm just doing it to show you guys. It's a matte lipstick and perfect for like daytime wear. And there you go. That's finished look using all the Charlotte Tilbury products, and I'll show you once again all that I've used. I'm going to link it down in my bio. So I've used the Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation, the Magic Away Liquid Concealer, the Hollywood Contour Wand, there it is, and the Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder, the lip liner, and the lipstick in Pillow Talk. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. This was just to go out and show you that some of the best-selling products that you keep seeing advertised here and there, I'm sure you guys want to try them out. So give a thumbs up to this tutorial if you did enjoy it, and if you think it's a true representation of what some products might look on our skin, as to when we think the models are wearing it, you always think it looks airbrushed and flawless and everything. But on a real human like me, this is what it looks. So I hope you enjoyed it. And this is the final daytime look. So stay tuned for more and more reviews. I'm thinking of doing more reviews of beauty products. So I hope you enjoyed this, and share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, do whatever it takes to make your girl shine out there. And definitely I'm going to link all of them down so you can see which color suits you the best. And even on their website, they've got like a huge range of colors. The products I felt were slightly pricey, so starting anywhere from about £25 to £35 is the price for a normal foundation or concealer or lipstick. So use it sparingly.